In this short video, I'll show you how to navigate your courses and how the learning experience works. Once you're enrolled in a course, you can open it directly from the portal. Let's walk through how to progress step by step. As you watch the videos, you may see short questions appear. These are quick knowledge checks that you can answer during the video. After answering, make sure to submit your response. Submitting is required before moving to the next part of the course. The courses are divided into sections. To earn your certificate, you'll need to complete all of them. Don't worry, the process is simple once you try it. By the end, you'll be able to move through the course with confidence. Let's get started and explore how the Sulava Learning Portal works.
Now that you've enrolled in your first course, you can start by opening the first video. The video begins when you press the interactive play button, or by using the start button at the beginning. While watching, you can adjust the video speed, mute or unmute the audio, and change other settings in the video player.
Imagine this, you got homework due, your friend just invited you, your cousin, you'll go to Dubai Mall, all in the next 2 hours. What if Microsoft Copilot could help you do the boring stuff faster, so you get to the fun stuff sooner? Let's try that. Hello everyone, my name is Laura and I'm here today with my AI colleague.
Hi there everyone.
And we know that your life is basically school, friends, projects, gaming, TikTok scrolling, and trying to sleep like a normal person.
So today we'll show you Copilot tricks that actually make your life easier. No boring lessons or difficult words, just real things you'll actually use. But before that, what is AI really?
Alright, real talk. AI is not some kind of robot about to steal your brain. It works kinda like Spotify recommendations. Actually, that does use AI, so it's not even kinda. Anyways, it notices patterns in what people do. Just like your FYP knows that you're into cat videos or football edits or cooking videos.
Same idea, but Copilot uses those patterns to help you work smarter. In the next video, we will dive into what AI really is.
While you watch the video, you may see questions appear on the screen. These are marked with a circle icon. Select the icon to open the question related to the video. Choose your answer, then tap Check, and use the arrow to continue. The question window will then close. After answering all the questions in the video, tap the star icon at the end and submit your answers. Only after submitting will the video be marked as complete. You can then move on to the next video. Make sure to complete all sections of the course, answer all questions, and submit your responses. This is required to receive your certificate at the end of the course. We hope you enjoyed the training.